Good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, mighty cold this morning. We in the upper 60s right now. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. Well, what I want to share with you and y'all today is Dan is going to try a new style of gardening. Another technique, rather old one, but new to Dan. Give me a second, we finna get off in the shop and I'm finna show you. Dan, what are you up to now? Well, I'm gonna try my hand at hydroponics. I've had a lot of inspiration from a good friend, fellow YouTube creator, Mr. CB, and Miss Renee over at CB's Greenhouse and Garden. One channel that I really enjoy watching, especially on Mr. CB's hydroponic grows. He was like, Dan, you need to give it a try. So guess what? We got to try new things. So that's why I'm going to do it. Now Dan's not going to be doing, just a high-speed hydroponics. I am going to be trying the Kratky method, and that's a non-circulating hydroponic system. Doesn't require any electricity, just water, nutrients, plants, and a few other things. One of the big reasons why I want to try this Kratky style hydroponics is I really like lettuce. I eat salads dang near every day. And I'm here to tell you, I get quite tired of spending $7 on a tub of spring mix. See that, how slimy it is? They only give this stuff a couple of days shelf life. So if you don't like salad, it's a bad thing because you got to eat it rather quickly. Me, I like salad, so I eat it real quickly. But this is what I hate seeing. And I also hate paying $6 or7 for one of these when I could basically grow it myself. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you, I ordered quite a few things and I'm waiting for some stuff to come in, but the main thing came in today, so I'm going to show you that. So what I ordered was some Rockwell Cubes. Got these off of Amazon, rather cheap. This was 96 Rockwell Cubes, and this is the 1.5 inch cube. And I think I paid about 11 bucks for 96 of these guys. I thought it was a good deal. So what I did was I took 8 Rockwell Cubes and I got them soaking in some water just to hydrate them real good. And I'm going to try to start some lettuce. And what I have here is, this is a prize head lettuce. And I got some seeds in a little bowl right here. And I really like the mesclun. And this is just a gourmet green mixture. I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm sure enough going to try it because I like everything pictured in there in a salad. Sure enough. And I got some seeds right here. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to poke some holes in these Rockwell Cubes and we're going to plant us out some lettuce in the hopes that they germinate so we can get the Kratky system going. So let's do that. So these seeds are like really small. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of these seeds and just try to drop it down in that hole right there, if possible. Grab another seed. Drop it down in the hole. Then I'm just going to take my nifty difty chopstick. Just going to cover that up. Simulate being planted in the ground. And there we go. Just going to put them in this container right here and add a little bit of water, and maybe in a couple of 5 days, maybe a week, maybe we'll get some lettuce germinated and we can rock on. So I'm going to get the rest of these Rockwell Cubes seeded up with some lettuce and I'll bring you back. So give me a second. So there we go. We are done seeding up these Rockwell Cubes. We have 4 prize head on this side filled up, and we have the mesclun on this side. So we're just going to see what happens. And I'm pretty excited to see what this does. Well, there you have it. Trying to get the Kratky system going over here at the home in the sticks. It's just a beginning to a new journey in hydroponics for me. I'm learning, but I'm getting a lot of good advice from Mr. CB and a few other channels. So we're going to see how it works over here. I'm pretty excited and I think it's going to work. So we'll see. And I have some more stuff coming in, and as soon as that comes in, I'll show you what I invested in to try to get some hydroponics going on over here in East Central Mississippi. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Monday, and I hope everyone is staying safe amid this crisis we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff and trying new stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee is showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You show enough, get your shine on, be you. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.